Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is a Toyota Tacoma TRD Pro, and this is by Majorette from their premium car series. So I bought it for $399, which is the MRP. Let's unbox this and see how this one looks. So I did say in prelude video that Hot Wheels actually did this casting very recently. I mean that mix is coming up, I guess. So I saw that video, just a week back. I mean, when I did the prelude video like a day or so back, I actually saw that video. So it might be hitting stores maybe as we are speaking now. So maybe by the time this video came out. So, but again, my personal preference would be Majorette in this case because again, the detailing and all. So yeah. Okay, so let's see the card here. Okay, that's a really nice picture there. Let's turn this up. Okay, so let's move to the car now, or truck. Okay, so out of the box the car looks, the truck looks really nice. So it does have some paint issues for me here. You can see, I don't know if it is like dust kind of thing. Yeah, it is going if I scratched very hardly. There are some, I don't know if it is a paint issue or something here. I don't know, maybe yours might not have that, but mine is having. So okay, so it has acrylic for headlights, that is really nice. Toyota logo is looking really nice. So it has the hood detailing here, the interior detailing here, and the bed here. Okay, and you can see the tail light detailing and everything here at 4:4 TRD Pro. So the body is fully metal, chassis is plastic. There is no detailing on the chassis, and so the wheels are actually plastic. So and the fenders here, all these are plastic. So it has rear view mirrors, which is really nice, and it has a front skid plate here, that is also really nice. So it has openable doors. Let me just open it, see the interior. So this is how much it can open. Okay, it looks really good. Let me just put it in this side. That looks really nice. Let me, it just snaps back right into place. Okay, so it does have suspension, you can see. And let's weigh this casting now. 38 grams, not bad. Since it's not fully metal, that is fine. And let's do a roll test now. Okay, it has a little bit of wheel wobble on the rear, but it does reach half a mark. Okay, does roll good, but not too good. But again, we are just considering the half a mark, for these kind of majorettes, because I mean this comes under this premium series, and also I don't want to rate based on that. Okay, so I'm reducing point 0.5 for the wheel wobble because I don't know. That's the only thing I can say. And one more thing is the paint issue which I'm having here. Maybe you might not have this, so I'm not going to reduce any point for that. So only 0.5 for this wheel wobble on the rear wheel. But apart from that, everything is good. So 9.5 out of 10. So okay, one more thing is, if you guys have any trailer which you can see that Majorette actually has a separate series for that. If you are having the trailer, you can just insert that here in this one. I do have some trailers with me. I don't know where it is. You guys might have seen that. I did that, think Land Rover, and there is one more which I did back then. So you can hitch the trailer on this one and you can just play with it. That would look really nice. And I would suggest this casting for the truck lovers personally. And apart from that, if you personally love collecting, that's it. Like every car. So this is for you guys. And so if you guys are having money to buy only one particular car, so I would suggest go for the Yaris because that looks freaking awesome. And next to that, my suggestion would be the Range Rover Evoque. And if you are a truck lover, I would suggest this one over the Range Rover. But if you ask me a general suggestion, then Range Rover. After that, I would suggest this one. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.